question here states a block of glass made of 5 kilogram of mass 5 kilograms and temperature 30 Celsius is brought into contact with a block of asphalt of mass 20 kilograms and temperature 75 Celsius. The specific heat capacity of asphalt is twice that of glass. No energy is transferred to the surroundings. What's the final temperature of both blocks? So here we are using MC, this equation, Q equals MC delta T. And since we know that the Q will be the same thing because it says that no energy is transferred to the surroundings, meaning that the Q, which is the energy added, the energy added from one is going to be the same as the energy subtracted from the other. So we can write MCT. Actually, let's just write the values in right away. So M is going to be 5 for the glass. C, we'll just call that C because there's no multiplier or anything. And then T, we're trying to find out this T. So we know delta T. So delta T is just final temperature minus initial temperature. So we don't know what the final temperature will be. So we will just write a T minus initial temperature, which is 30 in this case. And then that is equal to 20 because the mass of the asphalt is 20. It says that the heat capacity of the asphalt is twice that of glass. So we'll write 2C. And then again, for the temperature, this time it's 75 minus T because we want it to be positive. And now we just solve for T and that's going to be our answer. So first we can see that the T's cancel out. So we'll get 5T minus 30 equals 40. Oh, forgot to put brackets here. 40, because we're multiplying these two, so it's 40, 75 minus T. And now we just have to, let's divide both sides by 5 here to get T minus 30 equals 875 minus T. And we're just going to multiply the right out. So we have T minus 30 equals, it's going to be 600 minus 8T. Just add 8T to both sides for 9T and add 30 to both sides equals 630. Divide both sides by 9 and we have T equals 70, which is our final answer.